Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's your girl Beauty. Today I'm going to be bringing you guys my March and my April's favorite. I know we're in April kind of early, but these are things that I've been reaching for, and since I reached for it today, I'm going to go ahead and leave it in my April's favorite as well. So I'm going to show you guys a higher end and then a lower end product that you can use to replace that higher end. Who doesn't like saving coins, guys? I know I do. So, make sure you guys comment down below. Make sure you guys thumbs your girl up. Make sure you guys are subscribed. And make sure you guys are... give me some suggestions, guys, what you guys would like to see. Because I don't know, I just be kind of guessing, but I kind of go with what's within my end. Golly, no, we're not going to do that. Zip. We're going to go ahead, we're going to jump into the video. But if you guys have any video suggestions, guys, go ahead, don't be afraid. Comment down below and tell your girl what you'd like to see me do. I did a clothing haul try on before this video, so don't go over there now, but after you watch this one, go over there and watch that one. Okay, so without further rambling, guys, let's go ahead and get into it. So my first product I'm going to bring you guys is my Max Fix Plus. And you guys, hey, everybody know I love me some Fix Plus. I always get a travel size and I have a full size bottle. But this has written up, the price has written up, has gone up so much, so I was like, I gotta find me a dupe. So that's what your girl did. So I went to Walmart and I found this dupe, Make It Last. Y'all, this is so good. And this was like $8. You can get this at Walmart or you can get it at Amazon. But guys, this right here, when I say it works just like this, it works just like that. So what I do is after I moisturize my face, I spray this on, right? And then I'll continue to do my makeup and stuff like that. And then after I get finished with my makeup, I'll go back and spray it again. When I say my makeup look good all day, from whatever time of morning I put it on to whatever time I take it off at night, your girl be good, okay? So my next product that I'm going to bring you guys, because I think... well, you know what? I got... okay. I'm getting ahead of myself. So, let's do this. I got the travel size. I have the big size too, but I want to try the travel size just to see if I would like it before I actually committed to purchasing the big bottle. And I did go ahead and I purchased the big bottle. And so, this is the Patrick Star one size. Guys, when it says on to Dawn... She stand by her name. She stand by her name. You want this in your collection. But if you don't want to spend, I think this was $17. And the bigger bottle is like $28 or $32. It may be $28. I'm not for sure, but I'll go ahead and link it below. But I picked up Makeup Revolution. When I say Makeup Revolution is good, I picked this up at Ulta. It's a super holding mist spray. Guys, it's really good. You can get it at Ulta. I don't know if they sell it at Walmart. I don't think I've seen it at Walmart. They do have it at Walgreens. They did. As of me making this video. So, this is good. Okay, I'm putting you guys on. I'm telling y'all, I'll be trying to save y'all some coins. Y'all, guess what I did? I replaced my beauty blender. I never thought anybody would come close to replacing her. I've been cheating on her lately. When I say I've been cheating, okay? So, what I did is, I have the bigger version, right? This is a powder puff. And you can get these off of Amazon. I don't know if Walmart sells them. I know you can get them in your beauty supply store, but I've ordered mine off of Amazon. And I also purchased these off of Shein. So they have the little rectangular. I've showed these in my video before, but I didn't actually know that when I put my concealer on, guys, I use one side for the concealer and then one side for my powder. So I'll make mine work. So I don't have to keep using all my puffs. But if you just want to do like a little corner and you just want to do a little concealer, if you don't want to hold the big one and you just need better grip, this little one, it has like this little thing, pocket on the back of it, right? So you would stick your finger up in there, and then you would just raise your eye up and do that, right? And guys, these has replaced my beauty blender. I don't even reach for my beauty blender no more. I'll grab these all day long, okay? So we got the beauty blender out the way, and also I should have kept this with the mist, because y'all know I still love this. It's still my favorite. My Morphe setting spray, I still love it. I still reach for it. I have been reaching for a new mascara lately. This one is called Sky High by Less Sensational by Maybelline, and it looks like this. Light may be drowning it out, but it's like a mauve color, and then the spoolie looks like this. When I say it gets every little hair, I mean, I say it catches it and sprout them babies out. So if you don't have any eyelashes, this right here, I'm telling you, try it, and come back and let me know in the comments what you think about it. So I also, just trying to make sure, okay, I do. So I been using the Patrick Star, one size, this is, oh my god, primer, right? So if I don't want to just gravitate toward this and use this, I'm trying to make sure my camera is still recording because it's been cutting off. You can get this at Walmart. This NYX, NYX. This is a primer as well, but it looks like it's in a glue pack, right? And you just take the top off, and it has like a little applicator in there. You can squeeze it out. Guys, when I tell you guys, this is good. This is a good primer. It really helps seal your makeup, and it really gets rid of the, keep you from being oily. You always want to use a primer, especially if you're oily. You always want to use a primer, right? Okay, so we got that out the way. I'm gonna keep this one for last because it's off. So like with the brows, I've tried the glue, the brow glue. Y'all, this right here is good. When I say you use it to comb through your brows, it has a comb on there, a spoolie, but it's like a comb. And you just take it and you do your brows. I used it today. Everything I'm showing y'all I used, right? Or I used day before or something like that. But I used it in a month, right? So the NYX glue is not really hard, but it'll keep your brows in place. She ain't going nowhere. They gonna, however you comb them up and what I want to say, however you groom your brows with this, they gonna stay. And then I also been loving the lift, the NYX lift and snatch to fill in my brows. Guys, this is so amazing. I love this stuff. Like, I had to buy 2 of these because I'm like, I don't even want to run out. So I got the color, I think this is the color Espresso. But if you want to fill in your brows, it gives like little strokes, like hair strokes. So I love this. I've been using this instead of using my dip brow that I normally use, or my MAC. I've been gravitating toward this for the last few months. I've been grabbing this. I haven't even been using my gel stuff. And then I want to show you guys a good eyeliner by, I think this is by CoverGirl. And e.l.f. also has one you can use. And these are like, they used to be $3. I think they're $5 now. But this is a good liner. It has a little small spoolie that you take and go across your this is a liquid eyeliner, right? So some people can't do the top in the middle center of their eyebrows with this, but it doesn't bother me. So I can do that. I can go on the inside of my eye with it. Just make sure it's dry and you don't put too much because it will burn. But I also have been loving these L'Oreal Infallible concealers. I get a darker one. This is my skin tone, right? So I use this before I put my lighter one on. And my color is 380 and 405. So 405 is my normal skin tone color. And then this is my 4 shades lighter skin tone to give me that bright under eye, just to bring the color back into my face once I use this. Because once you put your foundation on, and it just take all your color away, so you got to bring your color back, your highlighted color. So these are my two colors. And then I also been loving my Fit Me in the color number 5. I normally get 10. They hadn't been having 10. They've been running out, so I've been using number 5. When I say to use this up under your eye after you use your concealer, and you blend your concealer out and you put this on there, it's going to give you such a smooth look. Guys, I love this. And then you can always take your brush and spray your brush, or you can, I don't really recommend, you can spray this. I did try it today, so I don't know what it looked like, but I guess I'll know when I do it on camera. But I tried something different today and sprayed up under my eye, because I don't like that bake look once you bake up on your eye. So now I really don't tend to bake long. I'll just kind of pat it up under, get up under one eye, and just kind of do my whole face, and then just go back and clean it off with my foundation powder. So this is the color number 5. So I know it looks light, y'all, but when, like, I mean, you could tell my eyes just not like bam. It's just not real bright, but I like it because it has a peach undertone to it. So I got this at Walmart. I love this. Love Maybelline any loose powder. So I've also been loving Huda Beauty in the color Pound Cake. So I've been loving this. And this is a setting, come on, my light drawing it out. It's a setting powder. So when you're done with everything with your concealer, you can set your concealer like for the lighter areas, not darker, but like for the lighter areas. I'll use this. And then I picked up my e.l.f. I've been had it for a little bit. I'm trying to see the color, y'all. I can't. I'm squeeching. So it is, don't want to show you guys a mirror. It's a blush and it's a contour powder. So I've been loving it. I love that the peachy undertone in the blush. And then you got the brown, so that's the brown. And then this is the peach blush, so that's the contour powder. I like this. I am wearing it today. I love this, so I've been reaching for it. I still been reaching for my MAC Studio Fix powder foundation. So it look like that still. I haven't hit pan, and I've been using it a lot, so I don't know. I don't know. People been saying like the new formula, they don't really care for it. So I haven't tried the new formula, so I've been still using my old one. So I have it in, this is my regular powder face, the NC45. And then I've been using the lighter version, which is NC42. And to do my highlighted areas. So let's say your eye is really, really lit, right? You lit up under. You don't really want that really, really bright like white. So you can take your lighter powder foundation or powder, whatever it is, and go over that lighter concealer, and it's going to tone it down some. And I actually like that, so I did do that today. I used that today. And then I still love my Gold Deposit by MAC, especially in the summertime for bronzing. I put a little bit on my shoulder today. I don't know, let me see if you guys can see that. I put some on there, so just a little bit. And now this is really, really cute. I love this. I put some on my cheeks as well. So I love this. You see, I almost hit pan. So I use it like every time I put my makeup on. I never go without using that. And then I still love my Master Chrome by Maybelline. And it's a peachy gold. And it's really, really pretty. Still love it. Still use it every day. Use it today for my highlighter. Love it, love it, love it. So you can get this at Walmart or your local Walgreens or any CVS store. But I know Walmart definitely has it and Target has it. So I still been using my Rihanna Beijing Gal. Still my favorite, y'all. Still haven't found nothing I'll do it yet. Still love it. And I'm going to continue to use it. But two other things is not makeup related I want to show you guys that you should have. I have a body mist. Guys, when I tell y'all, this smells so good. I can't read all the things that it has in it, but it's called Perfect Pink fragrance, fine fragrance. Y'all, when I say it smells so good, I'm gonna go ahead and spray myself now. Y'all, and I spray about, I don't know, I spray a lot. If y'all counted how many I sprayed. Okay, I love it. I love it. I love it. So try this, guys. And one more thing, camera about to heat up. I mean, this is kind of expensive, but guys, these T3 curling irons, this is the only curling iron you ever need. I think this is 1.5 inch burl, and I do have one that's bigger. It's a little expensive, so I mean, you know, I'm not counting anybody's pockets, so you can go ahead and check them out. They be having sales too. And you can order these online. You can order them through Macy's, or you can order them through Ulta online. That's where I've ordered mine from. I ordered mine online. But guys, I did use them today. When I say these suckers don't take but maybe 5 seconds, 7 at the most to heat up, you good to go. I take these everywhere I go. So without further rambling, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my monthly favorites. I hope you guys will pick up some of these items, and I hope you guys will come back and continue to come back and watch another video, guys. Hopefully I wasn't too boring, but I just wanted to show you guys. I want to knock this video out the way because I've been had it written down for a while that I was going to record it. But some people like to see me do updates on things that I like and do, you know, especially doing makeup and stuff like that. So I just thought I'd bring you guys this short video and show you guys. Well, it's not short because of what? It's almost 17 minutes. Well, it's 17 minutes now. So again, guys, thank you guys for coming back and watching another video. Hope you guys come back. Please I hope you guys will share your girl and recommend me to your friends, your neighbors, your pastor, your cousin, your mama them. Without further ado, guys, I'm going to let you guys go. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.